How do Xbox developers add keyboard and mouse support? Imagine sitting down with your gaming console and discovering that you can use a keyboard and mouse instead of a traditional controller. This seamless transition is made possible through a series of carefully implemented technical steps by the developers behind the scenes. Understanding how this process works reveals the complexity and thoughtfulness involved in expanding the gaming experience on Xbox consoles. The first step involves hardware recognition. When a user connects a keyboard or mouse to an Xbox console via a USB port or through Bluetooth, the system's operating system detects the device. The console's firmware includes drivers that identify the type and capabilities of the connected peripherals. These drivers are essential because they translate the input signals from the hardware into data that the console's software can interpret. Once the hardware is recognized, the next phase involves software configuration. Developers must ensure that the game itself supports keyboard and mouse input. This is achieved by integrating input handling code into the game's programming. Many games are designed with multiple input methods in mind, but developers may need to add specific support for keyboard and mouse if it was not included initially. This process involves mapping keyboard keys and mouse movements to in-game actions, which can be complex because it requires balancing the controls to ensure a fair and enjoyable experience. Microsoft has also provided developers with application programming interfaces that facilitate the integration of keyboard and mouse support. These APIs allow developers to query input devices, process input data, and implement custom control schemes. They also help in managing different input devices' compatibility and ensuring consistent performance across various hardware configurations. Another critical aspect is the implementation of input, remapping, and customization options. Developers often include settings that allow players to customize key bindings or adjust sensitivity levels for mouse movement. These features enhance accessibility and allow players to tailor controls to their preferences. Finally, testing is an essential part of adding keyboard and mouse support. Developers rigorously test their games with different peripherals to identify and fix issues such as input lag, incorrect mappings, or compatibility problems. This process ensures that when players connect their keyboard and mouse, the experience is smooth, responsive, and integrated seamlessly into the game environment. In summary, adding keyboard and mouse support on Xbox involves hardware detection, software integration, API utilization, customizable control schemes, and thorough testing. This multi-layered approach ensures that players can enjoy a versatile and responsive gaming experience on their consoles.